Okay, so in terms of mistake that you made, you didn't make one.
I didn't.
No.
But because you were there, you know what I mean?
But the what I'm trying to say to you is when you were approaching the roundabout, you made no mistake. The roundabout was empty, so there was no reason why we had to wait.
Oh, yeah. No, I'm not talking just about the roundabout. I'm talking about the old street we did, the whole kind of...
What I could do, you know, in your next lesson, I'll start the recording at the start. I'll put on a TikTok live. Just tell your hubby to record it.
Okay.
Just download it to your phone.
But I don't have TikTok. I need to download TikTok.
Okay, or I'll stick it on YouTube for you. It's not an issue. But yeah, usually when I run a live, you can download it off TikTok.
Yeah,
you can download the whole video. However,
I can do the
this will be on YouTube. I'll put it on tonight so you understand it. Okay. So in terms of parking a car, clutch goes down, foot brake on, then you pull up the parking brake, then go into neutral. Make sure it's in neutral. Release the brake, then release the clutch. But make sure that the P comes on. Okay. That way you know the car's safe. Okay. Do you know go around one more time?
Yes.
Okay, when you're ready, move off.
Can I have a polo?
Help yourself.
Thank you.
I've got some other sweets in that pocket down there.
Polo's fantastic.
Whatever you like.
Thank you.
Okay, when you're ready, move off, please.
Okay.
So we'll follow the road ahead. At the end of the road, turn left. If you talk yourself through your routine, you'll find it more proactive, okay?
Right. So signal left, mirror, signal left.
Which way are you signaling?
Oh, right. Bloody hell. Signal left. Okay. Braking, touchdown. Braking. I could have gone maybe.
Okay.
Is it too early?
I don't know.
Yeah,
you tell me.
I need to go a bit further.
Okay.
Right, I can go.
You happy with your turn that you made?
No.
Why not?
So I should have gone first.
Okay.
Closer to the lines. And now, should I just...
Do you need to stop or does he need to stop?
I think I need to stop.
Okay. Now, when you do want to move off, make sure you can get past him.
Yeah.
If you can't get past him, there's no point moving.
No.
Does he have enough space to go past you?
I think so.
That's fine. Then just wait until he's gone.
Yeah.
He's flashing you.
There.
So, so he's telling you to go around.
Okay.
I'll explain once you do it. So move as far as you can to the right, and then you reduce your speed in this corner.
Okay.
Can you see how he's trying to get past you now? So if you go into this gap, and straighten up and pause for a second. Straighten your wheels. That's fine. Now he'll move forward and you'll go around him. And that way, what you've done, you've made eye contact with the driver. Driver's understood you, you've understood the driver. And this way it's easier for him to go past you in a straight line.
Okay. Oh, because it's easier for him. Okay.
Yeah.
I understand.
Technically, we were in his way.
Oh, okay.
The empty and recycle bins.
But he could have gone around us easily, I think.
And then he'd block you off when he's picking up the bin. It's hard enough job anyway.
Yeah.
When you're ready, move off. And make sure you're looking into which blind spot. Mine.
Yours.
And go when you're ready. Why would you need to look into my blind spot, not yours?
Because there might be some people there trying to kind of working with the beans.
Yes.
Okay. These are nice houses. Really nice. Jerry would hate.
And that's your favourite Tesla.
Oh, this one here.
At the end of the road, at the crossroads, turn right.
Okay.
Do this on your own.
Okay.
the end of the road, turn left. Are we turning left or are we turning right? Signal's correct, positioning is incorrect. We need to be more to the left next time, okay? So the next time you approach a left turn, let's get that fixed, okay? Go when you're ready.
Would this mark me down?
Yes, because you're leaving the space open for a vehicle to go around you.
Okay.
And you'd have a lot of explaining to do to your insurance company. Keep going if it's safe. So the insurance company would want to know how you were turning left and how the car went round you. And with dash cam footage, people would show that you were positioning correctly. It'd be your fault. Now try and let you do a little bit of driving on your own now, okay? So remember what we did with this whole back position, okay? So a minimum of 2 car spaces back behind any obstruction that you stop behind.
Okay. I should have checked.
This is good. This is good where you've stopped. But be ready to go. This is good where you've stopped, okay? This positioning is fine. I've put you into gear 2, okay?
Okay.
Everything else you did was perfect. So if you went into gear 2, it'd keep you moving. But by remaining in gear 1, you would engine brake. At the roundabout, turn left, first exit. Into gear 1, and be careful you don't want to clip the curb, okay?
This lady didn't even signal.
Yes, you do need to signal.
Yeah, the lady that was turning left didn't signal.
Sometimes they forget, sometimes they're not thinking, sometimes they're lazy, we don't know.
Yeah.
But it's you as a driver need to make sure you understand where they're going before you go onto the roundabout.
Right. Yeah,
so if you're not sure, you wait.
Yeah.
Like you would do on your bike. You wouldn't just pull out, not being sure where they're going.
Yeah.
At the end of the road, turn left. This time we're going to correct the positioning that we discussed, okay?
Yeah.
And we're going to stop on the giveaway. So come to a stop a second. That's brilliant. Okay? So in terms of where you've stopped now, it's the correct positioning. Now when you do move off slower.
Okay.
Hold your clutch longer. Nice and slow. Just in case the bin wagon was here. That's perfectly fine. Okay, as we get to the end of this road to turn right, the last time you did the last time you made that right turn, you weren't looking to your left as you were coming onto the new road. Okay, so what we need to do is get that corrected.
To turn right.
We're turning right at the end of the road.
Okay.
But the last time you did it, you didn't look to your left as you were turning right.
Okay.
You didn't make a quick glance.
Yeah.
So turning right at the end of this road here. That's fine. That's good now. So what we didn't do was what you did now.
Yeah.
And that tells you that it's safer. Okay, now we're going to turn left at the end of this road. I want you to correct your positioning for me again, please. That's perfect. That's right. That's lovely. Well done. That's nice.
But do I have to stop all the time?
No, you don't need to. If it's a giveaway, it's fine. If it's a stop line, you'd have to stop. But because it's a closed junction, be prepared to stop. The speed that you were travelling at was fine.
Okay.
Any faster, you wouldn't be able to tell. You wouldn't be able to assess correctly.
Okay. Now here I have to be careful to give way.
Mm-hmm.
Seems fine. I'm just gonna carry on.
Mm-hmm. By staying on the line, it's safer.
How come?
That's fine. Well done. That's fine. I'm happy with that. That's good. Well done. Now get yourself ready to go and move off as soon as it's safe.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Fine. You did nothing wrong. Continue if it's safe. We're now going to take, a bit more to right, we're now going to take the next road on the right, please, where the white vans come out from. So it's this road on the right, where this big lorry is, turning into this road. We have priority over the lorry, okay? But make sure it's safe before you turn in. I would consider stopping. That's fine. Now carry on if it's safe. That's fine. So you've got more room for error and more room for correction of that error rather than stopping. At the end of the road, turn right, please. Turning right at the end of this road. Do we need to go up in a higher gear? Do you feel you've corrected your left positioning?
Yeah, mostly.
Do you feel turning right, you're looking now to the left at the point that you're going into their lane?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Where do you think you need to improve at the moment with your driving?
Well, I do need to remember those things,
Mhm.
and
Something about a right turn when you're coming out. Would you understand what it is?
no,
We need to change gears a bit early
the
sometimes.
gears.
Yeah. So you're making the gear change a bit more to right, so you're not too close to park cars. And what we're doing is, we need to work on this, how close we are to park cars. The most important thing when you're turning right, you need to give more gas to come out. Okay, you're going to try and do this on your own.
Okay.
Take the next road on the right again, this one here. Remember what you told me? Yeah. What's next?
We change here.
Okay.
Second.
Good.
Like priority.
Okay.
Like this is priority. And
How did that feel?
then better.
Good. Try and be conscious of how slow you're turning in gear 2. Some cars like mine will allow it. Some cars will stall. So make sure your speed's around 8, 9 as you're turning in.
Okay.
No less in gear 2.
Okay.
Because sometimes some cars won't accept it.
Okay. Because I needed to wait for the car in
Yes.
front of me to
Yes.
pass, so I had to